In this video, we will see how to enable or disable spell check in Windows Notepad. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open Notepad, and then on the right corner next to the cross or close button, there is settings. We just need to click here. It will be open the settings window. From here, we have to scroll till we find this section, spelling section, and here there are two options are there, spell check and autocorrect. To make it enable the spell check, we just need to turn it on. Here you will see on option, and if you make it off, then spell check will not be continue. When you enable spell check, it will also help you to autocorrect the spelling if you turn this on. Otherwise, if you make it off, then it will only check the spell, but it will not autocorrect. And that's it. In this way, we can enable or disable spell check with autocorrect in Notepad.